Hello, welcome to this video of how to build and grow your veggies at home in a simple hydroponic farm. This tomato was started about a month ago in this simple hydroponic garden in a plastic container which you can get from any shop. So I will take you through how I was able to do that. You can see that the tomato is growing very well, growing quite healthy. You can see the root. It's very simple, and you don't need a lot of tools or a lot of things to do. You need no water pump, you need no air pump. What you need is just a container, and you plant your tomato and other veggies depending on what you need, and that will be fine. So now let's go through how I was able to do this. So I will use this this one that I'm starting to plant a new or transplant a new veggies to show you how that was done. So here you need your drill and drill bits. So then you need your mesh cup. Any size of mesh cup depending on what you want. The size of the mesh cup you want to use will determine the size of the drill you will use. You can see this is the same plastic I use for this. Yeah, it's the same plastic, only that that one is bigger than this one, and because of the size I was able to plant 6 tomato there. So this one you can see I've done it for only 4 plants, so it's very simple. You use this drill to drill. You use the drill to drill the holes. You can see you drill the holes with that. Then you need to drill these smaller holes. The reason for that is to allow air circulation, because the plant need oxygen to grow, and since you will not need air pump, you have to create a space for the plant to breathe, for the roots to breathe. So that is why you have to drill these smaller holes here. So when you've done that, then you need liquid fertilizer, which the one I'm using is this Power Grow A and B. The instruction on how you mix them is there on the container, but it's just 5 ml for every 1 liter of water, clean water. If you are using your tap water, then you have to put the water in a container and allow the water for at least 2 days for the chlorine to escape from the water, so that the water will become clean. If not, the water will be, the chlorine will be impeding the growth of the plant. So it's very simple. You just put the water in a container, leave it for at least 48 hours. After that, the water will be clean for use. Then you mix your liquid fertilizer. Anyone, there are a lot of brands in the shop. So you mix 5 ml of A and 5 ml of B. The instruction is there. You have to put the A first, mix it very well before you put the B. You don't mix the other way around, and you don't put two of them together at the same time. Then you fill. When you've done that, then you put the water inside the container and then transplant the veggies. You transplant the veggies like this one. This is the one I transplanted a few weeks ago in this my bigger hydroponic farm. So I transplanted this about 3 weeks ago. So when you do that, your plant or your veggie will be ready, and it will grow very fine. So this one, you can see how healthy it is. It's already flowering. It's just about 49 days old. Just about 49 days old. So you can try that, and and see what you get. It's very simple and very profitable. You can see this my strawberry here. You can see the strawberry. Yeah, you can see the strawberry in this simple garden. The strawberry is doing fine too. It's already flowering. I transplanted the strawberry about I transplanted it about 2 weeks ago. You can see the roots. You can see the water. In this case, I have to use nail to create holes on the surface of the cover to allow air to move around, inside the container, so that the root, if the water is hot, it will affect the growth of the plant. That is why you have to create those holes for air circulation, so that the roots will get some oxygen. Yeah, so give us feedback, like and share the video, and if you have any question, feel free to ask, and we will respond to them as they come. Yeah, so that is it. I hope the video will be of help. Subscribe to my channel, and so that you will receive other videos I will be posting on how you grow your garden. Thank you. Have a good day.